Hi, Mike, and Sign Technology. My name is Tony Grant. We spoke on the phone, and I told you I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I just want to go over your site with you, how we would get your website ranked. So I send out screencasts with a bunch of free information to different business owners, but often they want to connect up afterwards and work together. Uh, I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through and one of your competitor sites. Then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways you have to use today for free. I start bringing in more traffic to your site. So here I am at your home page. A good looking site. Obviously, time and money has been expended. Um, so easy to navigate. But one thing I'm noting, though, is that there's not a lot of content, not a lot of words, not a lot of verbiage. Google is going to be ranking your website based on around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words in this home page. I did do a word count. Let me see. Let me get it here. And you have 536 words. So we would definitely want to add in some more content on here. We also want to make sure that your content is quality educational content. Google is going to crawl your site and determine whether or not the content on there would help Google's users. And so over here, I've popped into Google, and you're going to get a really good way to get your name out there is some Google ads. They can be expensive if not done correctly, but they're short term, have a big impact. So it might balance out your other components of your strategy, things like your SEO or some other other items which are where maybe take a little bit longer but are much more long lasting and will impact your brand for the long term. So we'll balance those out. So being where I would actually want to be is where I would really want to be in this map pack, which is right here below the map, which is these 3 businesses that Google has chosen based on a variety of things. But one of the things that they put a lot of emphasis on is citations. A citation is when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Yext are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. You want to be on more directories than these 3 businesses are here. And now I scroll down and I get to what's called the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they're going to click on one of these organic search results, and probably one of the first ones. So this is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. It's a Sacramento vehicle wraps, and it's just a company in Sacramento. As you can see, it's very similar to your site in the sense it has a lot of very pretty pictures. It's got a very pretty product. It's a good thing to sell. But unfortunately, that's not the way Google works. They work with these algorithms. Pretty much one size fits all for everybody. And one of the things they're looking for is a lot of content on their various pages. It also determines how many links you can have, how many backlinks you can have, how many internal links. It's all based on word count. So I'm going to hop on over here to what's called Ahrefs, and just type in your competitor who we're just looking at, and learn that they have they have 76 backlinks with a domain rating of 0. That's 0 out of 100, with 100 being best. Also, you'll notice that on these links, they have they're almost all coming from Sacramento vehicle wraps over and over again, and that a lot of them are no follow, which means that they sort of don't let anybody else have their link. You have to go to their site to use the link, and so they don't count for you very much. Okay, so what we'd like to do now is go in for a recap. of what we've been talking about. We have number one, add more content and make sure it has location-specific buyer intent keywords that bring in a lot of traffic. Number two, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And three, more high-powered relevant backlinks. Now, if you like what you've heard, give us a call, please, or answer us by email. The email here is devour, DEVOUR, at feedmeleads.org. Thanks very much.